never seen something like that for a single sub box. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. This is very unique. Did you build this?
We built it at our shop.
Okay.
Heads tunes, that the gold second gen and the Escalade and that Jeep were all built in the same place.
Okay.
It's 8-inch airports, 27 inches long, boxes tuned at 26, ZV6 18. A lot different.
It is, yeah.
I bet it works though.
So what made you do, why not sub up instead of sub sideways?
The whole reason for us doing it this way is we thought that it would kind of work almost like a 6-order in a way.
When you have this heat kind of here,
seats back, it just kind of develops back here.
the sound waves alter, yeah. Awesome. Wow. How deep does that port go down there?
It's 27 inches long.
Okay.
It's literally 8 inches off the back wall.
That's perfect for the port diameter versus the length of it. Okay. Any SPL tests on this?
Yeah, so it's tuned, it peaked at 26 hertz, or 28 hertz at 152.5 dB.
Really?
Yeah.
That's really good. Are you? That sounds like you got your goals met out of this then.
Yeah, I had two, when I first got really big into it, I had two X8 V4s, and then I bought two more, and then a buddy of mine said, I know you like your 8s, but how about we just go big?
Yeah, and that's what you did. All right. What size alternator?
It's a JS 320.
Okay.
With a 14.8 regulator.
Very nice.
Then I got 4 8-inch Neo Pro V4s, 2 ET1 Super Tweeters, all custom speaker pods, Stinger Heightened 10 head unit. I have a Sundown SA V4 200x4.
Oh, I see it, yeah.
It's back here behind. It's kind of hard to see, but it's back yonder.
Have you clamped how much power you're putting on the sub at all?
135 volts.
135 volts, okay. So roughly what, 4,000 watts? Or?
It's, what did it clamp at, Mike?
Hey, buddy.
Hey, man.
You doing all right?
Great. Yeah.
What did it clamp?
Oh, it didn't.
You didn't really clamp the RMS
It
on
didn't
it?
clap a lot. It was like,
It's 152.5 at 28 hertz.
yeah, and it clamped like total like a little over 3K.
Okay. Okay. Awesome. Looking forward to hearing. This is pretty unique style box. It's different. Yeah.
Yeah, we it's the only way we could get it in there.
That's right. Yep.
But yeah,
Make it work.
It's different.
Yeah.
But it does really well.
We wanted something that would look good, like it's like a car show on the inside.
Correct. There you go.
So right here, the Feared audio cabinets. This is who built it in collaboration with Taste Tunes. Taste Tunes is Michael Wilson.
Okay.
And or it says Chris, that 8 guy. We
Yeah.
just have 8s,
Yep.
so I went by that 8 guy. So my name's Chris Watkins. I live in Marion, North Carolina. It's a 07 Nissan Frontier King Cab. Run 2 Salt 3s strapped. I got a ZV6 18 box tuned to 26 hertz. In the floors, an advanced electric Kilo 55.
Wow. So the one sub right here?
Yeah.
This is a different type of box. I'm trying to figure it out a little bit. I'm sorry. So you have the 3K strap together.
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense now. What size airport?
It's an 8-inch.
All right.
So we'll do some tail swims.
Okay.
Let's see what we got here.
Okay.
Let's see,
Yes, sir.
find something else.
Did a good job. You know what built it?
man. Yeah.
Nice work.
I'm gonna have to give you a updated demo of mine.
You right around here?
Yeah, the black Escalade.
Okay. Yeah, I'll be over there in a minute.
Yeah, I think last time you was in it was no wall with
618s.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a 4th order wall now.
Oh, whole new ball game.
Yeah.
I love 4th order. It's my favorite.
Oh, dude, I love it, man. It turned out so good.
The cone control.
Ride till I can't no my best to keep from tearing the skin off my bones. Don't you know?
Expect that out of a single. So you
that was 26 hertz, so that was below my peak.
It was pretty windy, so it'll be louder than that at a higher frequency, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Awesome, thank you for showing me, man. Your name?
Chris Watkins.
Chris, JacobViral. That was awesome, thank you for sharing me.
You too, buddy.
That was pretty cool. Never seen something like that for a single sub box. Pretty unique.
Yeah, we want to do something crazy.
You did great. You did great. You have a good day. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop